So some of you already did your math, but today was the first day of first grade math. How do you feel? Jaden? I can't unmute you.
You're muted.
Happy.
Right? So exciting! We've got some new visual learning today. Okay?
Sad.
Sad? Why?
Because I don't want to do schoolwork.
We have like 5 weeks.
I don't want to do schoolwork.
5 weeks. We just got to stay strong and we'll get through it together. We have to stay strong. Alana?
Excited.
Excited, and you should be very proud of yourself too. All right, I'm going to share my screen so you can see your new math. Dun, dun, dun. If this works. All right, here we go. This is your new math. You'll still see visual learning. So you are reviewing for the first part of first grade. You are going to review addition. Now, before we start, what do we know about addition? It can be a math symbol, it can be numbers, it can be whatever you know about addition. What do you know about addition? I see Amelia is giving me a plus sign.
No.
Thank you, Amelia, showing me a plus sign. I see Kaylani showing me an equal sign. Alana, now I have a question, very important. In addition, we put two numbers together to get a what? To get a, Alana?
A bigger number.
A bigger number. So in addition, Alana, are we getting more or less?
More.
More. Yep, and we're going to go over that today. Now, I was really sad when I was going over the first grade work because even the little kids in the video, they look bigger. It's so sad. All right. So can everyone see? Good. All right, here we go.
The bowls have fish. How many red fish are there?
Look at the little girl. She grew up in first grade. All right, how many red fish are there? Giovanni? Unmute. Giovanni, you have to unmute yourself. The only person I can unmute is Kaylani, and I don't know why. Okay, never mind, Giovanni. It's okay. Okay?
I know there's 4 red fish and 2 blue fish.
There are 4 red fish and 2
blue fish.
There are 4 red fish.
Thank you, Kay.
How many blue fish are there?
Kay already said it. There are 2 blue fish. Now, they're not in the same bowl. They're in separate bowls.
There are 2 blue fish. How many fish in all?
I hear some math keywords. that will help you figure out what you are doing. The words in all. When you hear the words in all, what do you have to do? Emilia?
Count them all.
Count them all. You have to put them.
And I counted 6 fish.
Emilia says she's counted 6. Let's see if she's right.
You can describe the parts as 4 and 2. You can add to find the sum or the whole. What is the sum of 4 and 2?
So there are no more fish on our screen. Now I see some cubes that represent the fish. 4 red fish and 2 blue fish. And we know that in addition, it is part, whole. Now, whole is a first grade word. And you guys have known it for a while. And we know that to find the whole, we count them all. Another word for whole is sum. Sum. It means the same thing as the whole. To find the sum, you must count them all. So the question is, what is the sum of 4 and 2? Alana?
6.
6. She counted them all. She found the sum.
Six is the sum of 4 and 2. You can write an addition equation to show the parts and the whole. What number tells us how many are in the red part?
What number in our addition equation tells us how many are in the red part? Alima, are you there? Hi, Alima. Hello? I don't think they can hear us. All right. Anywho, moving on. What number tells us how many are in the red? Alana?
The first number?
The first number, what is that first number?
The 4.
The 4. The 4 is telling us that there are 4 red cubes or fish, red fish.
Select your answer.
4. What number tells us how many are in the blue part?
Select your answer.
2.
There are 2 in the blue part, it just told us. But really cool, when you get to first grade, when you're doing your visual learning, you can actually like click on the answers because you'll have access to this when you get to first grade. Cool, super cool. How many cubes are there in all?
How many cubes are there in all?
In all, we have to count them all.
I need glue.
How many cubes are there in all? What is the whole? What is the sum? It's all the same thing, just different terms. Alana?
6.
6 is the whole. Alana took 2 numbers, put them together, and counted them all to find the sum.
6. Let's read the addition equation together.
Who would like to read the addition equation? You know you're not done until you read the whole equation. Okay?
Go ahead, read the equation. What's that say?
4 plus 2 equals 6.
Amazing. Anyone else want to read our equation? Giovanni? Where is he?
Is 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Beautiful.
4 plus 2 equals 6. There are 6 fish in all.
Ew. All right, so we had some addition today. Who can tell me what addition is? What is addition? Emilia?
Adding parts to make a whole.
Adding parts to make a whole. So exciting. I'll tell you a secret. Soon, you're not going to be adding 2 numbers together. You're going to be adding 3 numbers together. That's a lot of adding. And it's going to be really fun, I promise.